Life is about the past, the present, and the future. If you ever wake up one morning and begin to think you have it all figured out, you're either a kid or you have mental problems. I have no regrets. Everything I have done was to enjoy the present, make way for the future, and pay for past mistakes.
It's useless keeping me here. I don't know where she is. I've told you everything I know.
What is the most useless part of this body? Since you don't know, I'll choose for you. Cut off the little finger on his left hand.
Huh? No, please, sir, please. Please, sir, please. Please, please, sir, please, no. Please. Sir, please. Please, sir. Oh, no.
Anna, you're back.
Yes.
No.
Yes, what's he going?
Mba, ọkwa nke nsonye aka. A na-akpasa. Anna, you're leaving this early.
Mama, there's this man at the kid. I want to purchase leaking roof before I head for the workshop.
It's in court, Tutu.
I don't understand whether it's hot now.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I actually had something. Of course I did.
Can measure.
I had something just now.
Okay. Did you tell your father you're leaving?
Yes, we just spoke actually before coming out.
Try and hurry, Now, come back early. You may not so
come on.
No.
What? Take care.
Oh, you too.
So, this is how you have decided to useless your life. Eh? Why are you people disturbing my peace? Huh? Are you insane or are you drunk? Idiot.
Idiot! A slave!
Caro, please tell my driver not to be running fast again. He was just running fast like if the devil was pursuing us. At least he should run 300 kilometers per hour.
God, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this type of a man? God. Hey! Why are you punishing me with this idiot?
Caro,
Oh God.
wipe your tears. Huh?
Look, you people should not be discussing about a man behind him. It is not good. It is called gossiping. If you are man enough, look straight to my face and then vomit those nonsense again.
Why would you say the land our father left for us, brother? It's unfair.
Mechonu, shut up. I am the firstborn and I have every right to sell anything. Even I can sell you into slavery. Who are you to question my authority?
It is barely 4 months since your father, who was my brother, died. It's a bad report.
Uncle, see how can I able to sell ego letter?
Where did you keep that money?
Look, I use it to pursue my political career. I want to be governor and
Matthew, Kanayo. Matthew, Kanayo.
Boys, oye.
Oye!
Now, I can see that the bottles are reducing. Do you want one more bottle?
Yes,
Madam Nkwas, Madam Ukwabi.
His Excellency.
Yes, and
Honorable.
honorable. Yes.
His Excellency.
Yes.
Honorable.
Give these boys one bottle each. Calm down. And I will cap it up this time with one plate of ukwabi. Fire.
More for the people.
Call me Your Excellency.
Your Excellency. Your Excellency. More for the people.
More for the people.
Boys, oye! Oye! Oye!
Serve these people. Honorable. His Excellency said
Yes.
I should give them one more bottles.
Yes, one
and
more.
one plate of nkwobi for each.
Makam. Yes. No shaking.
His Excellency.
No shaking.
We are with you.
Yes, sir. You know, Madam Nkwas, from today, you are my political women leader. Yes. Yes. And
Honorable.
yes. And you are my political youth leader. Yes. 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 By the grace of God, when I become governor, all the boys will have new trousers.
You go winner! You go winner!
Yeah, you go.
Yes.
Come.
See,
Come and tell them.
don't,
You are going nowhere. Come and tell them where you kept the money.
don't fall me.
Go and tell them.
Don't fall me.
Tell them where you kept the money.
I don't blame you people. You don't understand politics. You are not politicians. I am a politician and I want to be governor and senator. I have used, in fact, I think I still have some money left. 20, 10, 5. You people can share it according to your ages. Yes. Yes, the old man can take 20. You take. You know what? I will become a governor. Governor, I will become.
I know you're an angel. But what I don't know is if you fly without wings or you dropped them somewhere. If your mother didn't give birth to you, I will be angry at her. Yes, I mean, I don't know why anyone would want to deny this world such an angelic visit.
Chinon, so you're killing me with your words.
Words that fits for beauty like you. Did you hear that?
What was that?
I didn't see anything.
Are you sure?
Nothing, lizard.
Which lizard?
No, for real. I checked. I checked everywhere. It should be a lizard. Don't worry. Where were we?
True.
Forget about the sound. So, I think I was saying something.
I told you. Chinon, so let's go home.
Let's check now. This is the same place I just checked.
I am this close to closing a deal that will change my entire life. Do you know what is standing between me and that deal? You. Just sign a simple document and get 5 million naira. 5 million naira. You're here telling me your dead father did not authorize you to sell the land. Your father died poor. Do you know what your problem is? You're poor and proud. Two peas that don't go together. Choose one pea. Sign this document and we'll forget this ever happened.
Okay. Okay.
Turn the page. There.
Lucy, run. Run!
Let's go home, let's go home.
Ojumon, short of words. There are certain things that happen, you don't even know where to start. I mean, Chima is a boy I know very well. I watched him grow.
Chima.
It's okay. No, it's okay. I want you to hold on to this. It's okay. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Whatever you need. If you don't have my phone number, go to the house, I'll give it to you. Call me.
Chief, thank you very much.
No, Chloe, don't kneel down.
God bless you, Chief. I appreciate
It's okay. Just get back to me, whatever you need. I'll help.
God will never stop blessing you. Hey! Chief!
Tell me that again.
Chief, I must say I'm very, very satisfied with this deal. Now the land is wide enough for what I want to build.
I'm happy you're satisfied. It's my job to satisfy you.
So tell me, how were you able to handle the stubborn one amongst them that refused to sell the land initially? How were you able to do that?
You want me to teach you my secret? I know how to handle them in this community.
You.
Daddy, good evening.
Hello, my princess. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how was school today?
It was fine. We're preparing for WAEC. Samson didn't come to pick me on time.
Oh. My fault. I sent him on many errands to get me certain things, and during that process, just blame me for it. I take responsibility.
Okay.
You must be tired.
Yes.
All right, go change up.
Okay.
Fix something to eat.
She's quite grown.
They grow so fast.
Say that.
Like tolo. Before you know it now, husbands will start coming.
Oh, life is good.
All right, Samson.
Yes, Chief.
Andu and I are going out. We'll be back in 2 hours. So you take charge of the house.
Okay.
Okay. Andrew, let's go.
So what do we do now?
How?
We can't just let the man's death go like that. Everyone will be walking around thinking he committed suicide.
See, Lucy, I don't know what you expect us to do. Sincerely, I don't know.
We should go to the police and tell them what we saw.
Lucy, I don't think that's a good idea. Come on. What we saw is none of our business. At least we should be thankful that we escaped with our lives.
Why are you such a coward? You watched an innocent man die like that and you want to keep quiet about it.
Lucy.
Please, don't Lucy me. Please come and start going before my mother comes back.
Why are you angry now? Okay, should I come back tomorrow?
Next day, came market day.
It's not good now.
Be cool.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
It's not nice though.
Next time when you see the truth, you say it.
Chief Nwegi, you know I'm not a man of many words, so I will not try to be an eloquent speaker at this juncture. So I'll keep it straight and simple.
That would be very much appreciated.
Thank you. You see, in this community, you're one of those few men I've come to respect so much. Hence, I will not hesitate to bring to your notice any damaging accusation on your person.
I appreciate that very much. And I most sincerely appreciate the good work you do in our community. And that's why anything I can do to support you, I'll do that.
Thank you, sir. See, the other day, a young boy walked into my office and leveled against you damaging accusations.
What did he say?
He said he saw you hanged a boy in the forest.
What else did he say?
Amongst other things, he said he was with a girl, but he didn't mention any name. All you need to know about the case is here.
You see, Area Commander, our communities have been infiltrated by loose boys who take weed. They've gone beyond weed taking and they are smoking this ulumeli or whatever they call it. And after that, they start hallucinating. This is just a work of hallucination. Quite unfortunate. Well, I appreciate you always. I want to thank you for all the good work you do for our community. And also urge you to please try with your men to clean our community for the better. Please. Just for your transport.
Thank you, Chief.
Trust me. I need to appreciate you. But Nothing to worry about.
Hey! How did you know it's me?
I know your hand.
You don't know how my hand feels? Wow. Okay, oh. I like it when you smile like that. You know why? Because it reminds me of heaven. I'm serious. I'm not joking, for real.
Leave me alone. I'm running errands to my mom.
You're trying to discharge me now. Isn't that what you're trying to do?
You're distracting me too.
Okay, I will see you later then.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, oh?
I will.
Oh, yeah, my cousin. Whoa. Okay.
What is it? Where are you guys taking me to? Where are you guys taking me to now? Why are you guys? What's this?
You said you wanted to sell that land by the stream.
Not exactly. I wanted a loan from you, but because of the friendship between you and I want to use that land as a collateral. When I pay you back, and I have my land back.
You know, the country's economy is a very, very hard one now. How big is the land?
About 4 plots of land.
Okay. Okay. But how much do you want for the land?
It is not the price of the land. What I want is a loan, 350,000.
Okay. I'll see what I can do by next week.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's why I always talk of you.
My friend, what are you doing here? No, I'm asking, what are you doing here?
Does it look like he's doing?
What does it look like he's doing here? Look, even if you don't have sense, don't you have respect for elders? My question is very simple. What are you doing on my land?
Which land? Which land is your land? The land I bought from Chipwoke is now your land.
I think there's a mix-up somewhere. This land belongs to me and not Nweke. This is my land.
If not that you are an old man, I would have called you a fool.
Anyway, there is no point staying here to argue with you. I don't really need to bandy words with you. But let me tell you something. If I come back here and see you, what I will do to you, hey, you will not like it. I'm telling you. Anyway.
If you come back, in which land? This land. The land I bought with my money. I am waiting for you. Take that down. Take that down. Monitor your number. Monitor your number.
When was the last time you saw Chinonso?
He came to my madam's shop to see me.
And when exactly was that?
That should be like 2 days ago, sir.
I have not set my eyes on him since that time. And his phone is switched off. You should have told me about this earlier. Huh? Have you said this to any other person else?
No, because don't tell anybody I was the one that told you this.
It's all right.
Ichie Chezona and someone called Obiora complained that you sold the same piece of land to both of them. Maz Yudo said that you have a hand in the disappearance of his son because his son saw you kill someone. Our people say that wherever a child is pointing and crying, if his father is not there, then the mother is there.
Very, very weighty allegations. Like our people always say, Onye jigu keigu neso. What do you expect? God has blessed me so well. In fact, God has been too fair to me. So what is the next? Enemy, enemies, envy, jealousy. But I tell you one thing, and I assure you no. If God be God, the God I serve will vindicate me and put all of them to shame.
I have invited everyone who has grievance against you. We will all assemble here in the next 4 days. Try as much as you can to iron out all the issues. If it was when our Igwe was still alive.
Well, my advice. Onye Obuna nwele issue with me should report to the police or charge them to court. I'm available 24 hours or no.
Nweke, we have always found a way to sort out issues in this village. This will not be an exception.
Of course, that's fine by me. I like it that way too. Thank you very much, Onowu. Can I go now?
Of course.
As Onowu, you are a father of many. And because of the enormous respect I have for you, I answered this summon at the last minute. So I appreciate you for keeping the peace in our community. Samson. So, Igana Agwabia, continue to be the man of peace we have known you for. Dalo.
I don't want to hurt you. Don't give me reason to. Just tell me what you saw, who you saw it with, and I'll let you go home.
I didn't see anything. Neither did I tell anyone I saw anything.
You did not tell the police you saw anything?
So I swear, I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything.
Cut him into pieces. Throw him into the river. Let the fishes feast on him.
I saw something! I saw something! I did see something, sir. I saw something. I saw something.
Good boy. What did you say?
Chief Nweke, I welcome you. I also welcome you, my brothers, and our wife. We all gathered here at the appointed time, but you kept us waiting.
My apologies.
That is by the way. Let us go straight to why we are all here. But let me sound this note of warning. Let nobody shout or point fingers at anybody. We are not here to fight, but to find lasting solutions to our problems. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, I greet you all. Like you all know, I am a titled man. And there are certain things a titled man cannot do. The truth is that I bought a piece of land from Nweke. Later, I saw Obiora measuring the same piece of land. And when I confronted him, he said he bought the same piece of land from Nweke. You all know, it is only a fool that will use fake currency to purchase goods from his in-law.
Who do you refer to as a fool?
Did I call your name?
You were referring to me.
I made a general statement.
No. In Lagos community.
Oh, Chief Nweke, hold on, please. Please. We shall get to the bottom of this. Maz Yudo, you have something to tell us.
Yes or no? My own is very simple. I want my son back. Nweke here knows the whereabouts of my son. Let him tell me what he has done with my son. Let him tell me.
Okay. Obiora, it is your turn to take the floor.
I want to start by tendering an apology for the part I have played in all this. Chief Nweke did not sell any land to me.
Yeah?
I lied about that. Mazudo here told me to accuse me of selling the land to me. He did that because he thinks that Chief Nweke has a hand in his son's disappearance.
What nonsense are you saying?
Don't give me that look, oh. The money you gave to me is still inside the now. I can bring it. I have the money here. This is the money. Oh no. He told me not to tell anybody. But my conscience will not allow me to accuse an innocent man of what he did not do.
There is a witness to my claim. Yes. She saw Nweke kill a young man in the bush. She saw it alongside my son.
And who is this witness?
Lucy. Come. Tell them. Don't look at anybody's face, oh. Just say it as you told me. Don't fear anybody. Say it.
My daughter, what is your name?
Lucy.
And who is your father?
Eugene Egwon.
Eugene Egwon, the teacher? Ah. You have the same face, same resemblance. What did you see with Chinonso in the forest?
Talk now. Tell them. Say it the same way you told me. Don't fear anybody. Oh. Don't fear anybody. Don't look at anybody's face. Just say it that same way.
I did not see anything with Chinonso.
Huh?
What did you say?
I did not see anything with anybody.
Oh no, Ubai. It is very clear, even to the blind man, that in this our community, poverty now breeds jealousy. But the living God I serve, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob and Abraham, will always vindicate me and the truth will come out. Let me take my leave before another bitter allegation is leveled against me. But permit me, Ono, to thank Jehovah Almighty. I serve a living God. Oh no, I serve a living God. Amen. I serve a living God. Oh, I serve a living God. Amen. Oh no, I serve a living God. Oh, I serve a living God. Amen. Oh no, I serve a living God. Oh, I serve a living God. Amen. Yeah.
You see, you are moving too fast. Driver, please slow down. Slow it. Slow.
Mazudo here told me to accuse me of selling the land to me. He did that because he thinks that Chifunweke has a hand in his son's disappearance.
What nonsense are you saying?
Don't give me that look, oh. The money you gave to me is still inside the now. I can bring. I have the money here.
I did not see anything with Chinonso.
Hey! Chief, this is why you are coming to see me here. I hope all is well.
All is well. For since you ask, I want you to climb that tree.
Why?
Don't you trust me? We are friends. Climb that tree. You're not that old. Climb higher.
Climb higher.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? If it is because of the land, go and take it. Go and take it.
I can climb higher.
No, look at this. I can climb further. Hey!
I said climb higher. Hey!
Hey! Ekwe has fallen from the tree. Oh. Ekwe has fallen from the tree. Oh.
Samson, I'm an old man. Material things don't matter much to me as much as the well-being of my children.
I know all these proverbs and I've heard them more times than I can remember. Please, go straight to the point and tell me why you sent for me.
You see, Mweke is a bad news. And people are talking about him. And they see you around him.
People are talking. Who? What are their names?
I did not say people are talking about Samson. You see, I said that people are talking about Mweke. Samson, it's obvious that nothing I say will make sense to you. But let me leave you with one proverb. Okuko sina ibo jia etinkwa bro ni vejia garapia. No ko wana anu onu amalumbo melo.
Uncle, I've heard. And I have my own proverbs. I think you should remove the plank in your eyes before showing me the sawdust in mine.
What do you mean by that?
It means Ikenna, your son, is doing 419 in Lagos. How are you going to? So advise him first before talking to me.
Hey!
Nonsense. Nonsense. When are you coming back?
I'm here now, Mama. And I'll always be here with you.
Somebody help me. Somebody help. Somebody help! Someone please. Somebody help me! Someone please! Somebody help me. Someone please. Please someone. Help me!
When you go from here now to that tall tree there, then you move. You keep because you're not here. Now, come here. You see that zinc there? Goes this way. You can actually build block of shops here. Huh? And now on our side, I can tell you that. So it's not something you speculate.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, young man.
Please, are you looking for someone?
We're not really. We're just inspecting the land.
Oh, but the land is not for sale anyway.
I know it's not for sale because I haven't put it up for sale. It's my land.
Excuse me? This is my father's house. And this land is my father's land. I don't know what you're saying. But if you don't leave this land in the next minute, the next thing I'll be talking to will be corpses.
Young man, be careful. Be careful. You see, those words you speak is what I use as toothpick whenever I finish eating. But it's not up to a point of quarrel. Your father sold this land to me before he died.
My father never said anything about selling this land to anybody before he died. Would he even sell any land without telling me? No.
All right. That's your family problem. So, I have the papers. Move it up there. So, it's a very good one. You don't agree? So, stop somewhere here.
Why are you acting funny? Anya na-eso okwu.
I na-ese biko, ịmara ihe iji maka ya bịa. Just say something and let me go. You can say I am busy.
You're acting like we're enemies. We're not enemies.
Ada, you are a widow too. And I know you understand how it feels. I wonder why you are bent on reminding me of the death of my son. Or is it because your son is missing?
We are both widows. And we understand each other. Any mother would go to the pit of hell to make sure that her child is safe.
But the girl denied witnessing the death of my son. And everybody believes that the grief has taken you mad. And you are making up things.
You? What do you think?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I think. I really don't know what you want from me, Ada.
It matters to me. I mean, what if it's true? Wouldn't you want to do something? Wouldn't you want to avenge the death of your son?
Ada, it won't make Chima come back. It will not make Chima come back. Don't you understand?
Wait a minute. I want to tell you something. You know, I was once like you, running errands for all the powerful men in this town.
Yes, Chief.
Something.
Chief.
I'm not from a rich family. I'm from a poor family where eating was a very big challenge. So all you see around me today, I built from the scratch. One of the things that has helped me survive in life is my understanding of times and seasons. If you were asked how old I was, maybe you'd be fair to me to say late 40s, but I'm not as young as you think. I used to be very strong. So we must do the things we used to do, right?
Yes, Chief.
I don't want to be, well, don't mind me. Go, we'll talk when you come back.
Okay, Chief.
Hold on to that for me. But this, what is the difference between this and this bush here? No. I mean, a snake could easily hide here. What am I paying you for? That you can't manicure them?
Daddy!
We're having PTA meeting tomorrow, and they said one of the parents should be present.
Okay. I'll call your principal.
In heaven, there is no beer. That's why we are drinking here. And when we are gone from here, our friends will drink our beer for free. Hey! In heaven, there is no beer. That's why we are drinking here. And when we are gone from here, our friends will drink our beer for free.
Mama.
Hey. It has been long we saw you. So I was surprised when you said you are coming home today. I thought you have gone back to jail.
Look, Samson.
Papa.
I have even forgotten I have a son. Half son.
This one we talk.
Look! As long as you are in this house, you remain my wife. I am the man of the house.
Look at man. I am the man of the house. Does your manhood even work? Does it work again?
My manhood is not working, but you are still here. Look, if you are tired of staying in my house, pack your load and go back to your father's house. Go back to your father's house or a chonu there.
Let me tell you, the reason I am still here is because when I wake up in the morning, I just remind myself that if I can surmount an obstacle like you, there is nothing I will not overcome. Hey!
In heaven there is no beer. That's why we are drinking here.
No. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Okay, now, you know what? Okay, you give her $5,000 and keep the rest for me. That's right. Oh, okay. I think we can work with that. We can work with that. Okay. No, now, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Okay then. Okay then.
Madam, I was told you've been here severally looking for me. What for?
Yes, I was here the whole of last week.
What did I tell you the last time you were here? That we are doing all we can and canning all the information we get to know the whereabouts of your son.
You don't understand. He witnessed a murder.
Stop those silly comments, woman. The same person you claim told you the story. We've interrogated this girl severally. She has denied anything you claimed. Can't you just let us do our job?
But you need to understand.
Hold it. Are you trying to teach me my job? What insolence! Madam, if not that you're an elderly woman, now that you've claimed to know too much, you would have helped us in this investigation, but from behind bars.
See, madam, calm down. Calm down. We are doing our best. Please. We are still doing our best. It's okay.
Samson, I want to see you as fast as now. I don't want to, this plot of land is about 20 plots in one here. And even when you look at this way, you see that it's all flat land. Let me tell you how to buy land from the village. When you see 2 plots, buy. When you see 3, buy. You buy and you keep. Like this one over here. I bought. And before you know it, I have 10 plots. Then, this one. In fact, the fruits here, I have left the village people to cultivate it. Yes. Let me show you something over there. The beauty of the land here is that it cannot be a menace here. is all flat land. Yeah, flat land. You get from here, here. Oh, you need to see it. Yeah, very good. Very, very good.
What's going on here? What's going on here? Wait. What's going on here? Eh? Ejike? Hey! 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 Weke, please. Please. I will pay you any amount of money you want. Please, okay? Please. Weke, please.
Andrew.
Sir?
Sit inside there.
Eh?
Sit inside there.
Please.
I want to tell you a little story. Five years ago, I sold a land to my friend for a huge amount of money. Two days later, my son was shot and killed by people who were aiming to shoot me. Every time I close my eyes, I see my son dying in my arms. What is going on here?
I am leaving you for good. I can't still believe that our son is dead because of you. I'm done.
Will you keep quiet? Come on, go back upstairs. Go back upstairs, my friend. One by one, I hunted them down. I killed two of them. But many questions were left unanswered. Who sent them? What was the motive? Why would somebody want me dead? I asked questions. I paid people. I searched from one end of the earth to the other for who killed my son. And I found out it was my friend. Someone I brought into business. But I'm a viper. Never been known to bite anybody and he survives.
Hey! Wicked! Wicked! Wicked!
Go and bring my daughter from school. What is it?
That woman is outside, sir.
What woman?
The one we have her son.
Go and chase her away from there.
I've already done that, sir. But she says she wouldn't leave, sir. She wants to talk to you.
Go and send her away from there, my friend.
Okay, sir.
Come back. Don't worry. I'll talk to her myself. Yes. You wanted to see me. You have seen me.
Go, please. Please. Sir, please, I'm a widow.
Don't kneel down for me, madam. Please, get up.
No, sir, please. I don't mind kneeling. I beg you. Release my son to me.
I don't even know. I've not met your son before. I don't even know him.
No, Master, you don't understand. I'm a widow. My son is all that I have. I beg you in the name of all that you hold sacred.
Why do you people get this impression about me, for goodness sake?
Just
I don't know your son.
Pity me and release my son, Mas. Please. Nah, because son of me, you're here. Please, sir. Please. Sir, I won't get up, sir. Because just release my son.
Listen, if it's money you want,
no.
you tell me.
But I don't want.
Let's stop all this.
My son is all I want. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please. Please, Mercy. Please, just my son, and I will never come
Peter,
back
get this
here.
woman out of here. Madam, get out of here and
Sir.
don't come back here.
Please, sir, please. Because now.
Don't you come back.
Please. Because just consider I'm a widow now because you are not. Please. Come back now because listen to me.
Go.
What is your brother? Gets man because
Let's go.
I don't.
I don't like the way people in the village are pointing fingers at us.
I know. But they don't have evidence.
And what about the girl?
What about her?
We need to silence her.
Not yet.
Okay. I will pick your daughter from school.
Okay. Wait. Do you think I'm getting soft? An idea may be right. But if the timing is wrong, it becomes a bad idea. I know what I'm doing. We'll leave the girl for now.
Okay, sir.
Where's my son? Shut up. Where? Come here. Where's my son? He's here. He's Weke. He's here. He's here. Weke is here.
I like this one. He has spirits. Who are you? Who am I? If I told you, I would have to kill you. Do you want to die, Ike? Answer me! Do you want to die?